Having trouble finding templates in CapCut? Here's how to fix it in just a few quick steps. First, check your internet connection. Templates won't load properly if your connection is unstable or too slow. Switch to Wi-Fi if you're using mobile data, or restart your router. Next, open the CapCut app and go to your profile page by tapping the icon at the bottom right. From here, tap the menu icon in the top right corner and scroll down to find Clear Cache. Tap it, then Confirm. This can refresh the app and fix minor glitches. Still not seeing templates? Make sure your app is up to date. Head to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for CapCut, and tap Update if the option is available. An outdated app can often cause features to not load correctly. If it's still not working, do a full reset of the app settings. Go to your phone settings, scroll to Apps and search for CapCut. Tap on Storage, then tap Clear Cache and Clear Data. Be aware, this will log you out, so make sure you remember your login info. Once you've done this and reopen the app, your templates should now appear without issues. These fixes usually resolve the problem right away. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.